If you tune your car while stock and then add an intake intercooler after it, do you have to reflash, or how does that work exactly?
No, you don't need to reflash. The unless it's a hardware change that has a subsequent stage level of software or some other specific software that goes along with it, then no. I know that was a huge thing in like the Subi world, where it's like, oh, I got my tune, I got an intake on it, I got my tune plus an intake, and then you got an intercooler, it's tune, intake, intercooler, and sway bar links for some reason. But there's like a tune for everything, for every hardware combo. I don't.
Yeah, the Subaru world.
The Subaru world is very crazy.
You put an intake on your car without a tune, you're gonna blow up.
Yeah, and I mean, to be fair, the older ones are way simpler than these ECUs. But, I mean, it was a map based. If your VE changed at all, your tune was going to be off.
But this is a function of the power of these ECUs that you can make these changes. So usually, if you go on our tuning page, you can see the supported or recommended products for each stage of tuning. There are things that you don't want to do. That you do need to, you'll have to flash from stage 1 to stage 2, or from stage 1 to stage 3, or there are considerations here. But if you have any questions, just shoot us an email to tuning@034motorsport.com.
That's a good filter, though. Anything in our required and recommended list on that tune, you don't need to retune at any time.
So like a B9S4 stage 1, you can do the intake, you can do the intercooler, you could do our throttle body inlet,
N links,
all the N links you could ever want to do.